Today I'm at street food court, or also known as food court, but only outside, or maybe street food kiosk court. I'm here with the cubing ball. Let's get this started.
他现在才几点？我12点才收啊。以后要能喝酒能干什么？
哎呀，我今天那个卤的臭豆腐那个汁儿应该留那边点儿，应该刷那个。还有今天做的
，Hey, look, Tesla Cybertruck, but in beautiful pattern. Yeah, flowers, and yeah, a phoenix right there. Okay guys, so I'm at home, so I should rate this place 10 out of 10. It's really neon-tic. Was that even a word? And also, there's lights, so many lights. Yep, really clear to see though. But the cooking is really beautiful, isn't it? And also, there's so many foods to eat, but sometimes they're also the same. Well, some. So hope you enjoy this video. Be sure to like and subscribe to Carry the Cubing Ball if you love Carry so much. If you do, then Carry will love you. And not that me sure to. So enjoy this video while you can. Peace.